Lessons for anyone who a narcissist has scapegoated. Scapegoating by a narcissist can be an incredibly painful experience. Individuals who fall victim to this behavior often find themselves unfairly blamed for issues they did not cause, leading to feelings of isolation, confusion, and deep emotional distress. Understanding how to navigate the aftermath of being scapegoated is essential for healing and reclaiming your sense of self. Here are 5 vital lessons to consider. Recognize the dynamics of narcissism. Understanding narcissism is crucial in processing your experience. Narcissists typically lack empathy and tend to manipulate others to maintain their inflated self-image. Scapegoating is a tactic they use to divert attention away from their flaws or failures by placing the blame on someone else. Recognizing these dynamics allows you to see that the blame directed at you is not a reflection of your worth or character. This understanding can help mitigate feelings of guilt or shame that often accompany scapegoating. Establish boundaries. Once you've identified that you've been scapegoated, establishing clear boundaries is essential. Narcissists often exploit others' kindness and vulnerability, leading to repeated cycles of blame and manipulation. Setting boundaries means clearly communicating what behaviors you will and will not accept. This may involve limiting contact with the narcissist or asserting your needs when interacting with them. By enforcing boundaries, you reclaim control over your interactions and protect your emotional well-being. One of the most damaging effects of scapegoating is the internalization of blame and negativity. You may start to believe the distorted narratives the narcissist has imposed on you. To combat this, practice self-compassion. Remind yourself that you are not at fault for their abusive behavior. Engage in positive self-talk, celebrate your strengths, and acknowledge your feelings as valid. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who affirm your worth and help counteract the negative messages you've received. Seek support from others. Isolation is a common outcome for those who have been scapegoated, as narcissists often work to alienate their victims from friends and family. However, it's crucial to seek support from trusted individuals who can provide a different perspective. Talking to friends, family members, or a mental health professional can help you process your experiences and validate your feelings. Joining support groups or online communities can also provide a sense of belonging and understanding from those who have faced similar situations. Remember, you are not alone, and sharing your story can be a powerful step towards healing. Healing from the trauma of scapegoating takes time and intentional effort. Engage in activities that promote self-care and emotional healing, such as journaling, meditation, or creative pursuits. These practices can help you express your feelings and regain a sense of normalcy. Consider professional therapy, where you can work through the emotional aftermath of your experiences in a safe and supportive environment. Set goals for yourself, both short-term and long-term, to create a sense of direction and purpose in your life. This focus on personal growth will empower you to rebuild your identity apart from the negative labels imposed by the narcissist. Conclusion. Being scapegoated by a narcissist can leave deep emotional scars, but it's important to remember that this experience does not define you. By recognizing the dynamics of narcissism, establishing boundaries, cultivating self-compassion, seeking support, and focusing on your healing journey, you can reclaim your sense of self and build a brighter future. The path to healing may be challenging, but with persistence and support, you can emerge stronger and more resilient than ever.